Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. So, could you revise the thing which I sent you related adjectives?
No, ma'am, actually.
Okay, fine. So, today I'm going to ask a few questions related entertainment topic.
Okay.
Okay. So, today our topic is entertainment. So, which kind of entertainment you like to feel refreshed or to release your stress?
Ma'am, I like comedies movie, and then sometimes some action movie. Means I like every type of movies. And then I listen song for my enjoyment, for my entertainment. And then I also like to play volleyball as well. So these are the things which I like to entertainment to myself.
Okay, so if we talk about outdoor games, we know the advantages of outdoor games, but there is any advantage in playing indoor games?
Yes, ma'am. I play like seek and hide with my children, seek and hide games, and then there is like police shorty like that games. But like these are not the indoor game, but I am able to recall that like there are many games which are like considered as an indoor game, like uh, what do we say, badminton and all. But
Hmm.
I don't play, man.
Okay,
But I
so
want.
is there any advantage if we play? Is there any benefit we can gain? Anything from indoor games?
Yeah, definitely, ma'am. There is a lot of advantage of playing indoor game. First of all, we can be physically fit and mentally robust by playing game. As far as indoor game is concerned, so it is well prepared. Like you will not face the problem like the sunlight, and then you will not face like your game will not be affected by the rain and all. So it's provide a better facilities, and we can play 24 into 7 hours there because of having good and sufficient lighting system. And like there is like less chances of being injured. And if there is a indoor game, so there is a lot of chances that there may be a huge development of infrastructures by which we can replay our standard. Like there may be some cameras in which we are doing, we can easily recognize it and we can work on that. So these are the facilities which usually like provides by the indoor game.
Also, okay, sir, do you think that we can be mentally strong if we play indoor games?
Yes, what I believe that if you play any type of game, so it's increase your like physical stamina as well as your mental stamina. And there are many researchers who usually say that if you play any type of, so it's enhance your learning capabilities, it's enhance your grasping capabilities as well.
Okay, so if we talk about our childhood period, our childhood time, so we used to play a lot of time outdoor games. We didn't used to concentrate about indoor games. So was there any indoor games which usually we used to play in our childhood? Can you name any one game?
Yes, ma'am. Hide and seek a game was my childhood game where I was I used to play with my like friends, with my sister and brother.
Okay, like Carom and Ludo. We usually used to play, right?
Yes.
So you were good
Carom
at
and Ludo.
playing? You were good at playing?
Not, ma'am. I was not so much good in carom and Ludo.
Okay, did you ever cheat while playing?
Pardon, ma'am.
Did you ever cheat while playing?
Yeah, it's happened most of the time. Whenever I used to play with my sister, and she was elder than me. But what I used to had intention with my elder sister. Like I always used to fight with her. So that was the reason I used to uh, cheat her, and she used to become angry, and then we both started fighting to each other. We used to fight each other.
Yeah, both were good. Both were good. We used to fight or we started fighting. Both were appropriate. Okay, now Disha ji, I would ask you that as we discussing here topic entertainment. So which kind of entertainment you like to release your stress and to feel refresh?
Ma'am, I like run up to like 2 kilometers, 3 kilometers, and then some exercise. But I used to use it. I believe that uh, usually provide a platform in my battalion, and that is considered as a game parade. So by that, I usually utilize my time to attend that parade by playing like a volleyball. And yeah, so this is the only way by which I usually reduce my stress level.
Okay, what about you, Disha ji?
Yes, whenever I feel very stressed, then uh, I use watching movie because I'm very fond of watching movie. I'm fond of watching movie, and second, whenever I'm in my sore mood and stress, then I play game with my children. Yes, like online Ludo game,
Okay.
and
So
yes,
instead of
because
children's, you need to say children all the time because it becomes your habit. Speaking children's, I've observed many times. Okay, so try to
yes,
avoid children's. Okay, so as you
yes.
mentioned that watch movies. So which kind of movies? Like horror movie?
No, no, like action movie, fighting movie.
Okay, so
Yes,
you must be liking KGF, I think.
yes. KGF and like Pushpa. Because
Oh, I recommended a
yes,
lot of time, but really I couldn't bear only for 5 minutes. I tried to watch, and recently I was talking with someone who was, recommending me to watch a Marvel or this kind of movie. So it is okay if someone recommend me. I try to watch. I cannot tolerate more different kind of South or fighting movies. I don't know, means I maybe I could stay long so I could like this movie, but I cannot bear more than 5 minutes. Okay, then fine. So means you like
but
action movies.
in my childhood, I don't used to watch a fighting movie and very action movie, but in my family,
Hmm.
all members like action movie fight. They don't
Good.
like love movies, and so
I
actually now
especially
I'm habitual.
okay. Do you like family movies like Hum Saath Saath Hain, Bagma type of?
Yes, 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 we all like families movie and action movies, comedy movie, but
Okay,
we
okay.
don't, and suspense movie, yes, like a mysterious movie,
Ha ha ha. Right, right.
but
Mysterious
but
movie.
but we don't